Welcome to our channel Arogya Mandir. Please like and share our videos. Do subscribe to get maximum benefits from this channel. Today, let's understand and experience a sleep which gives experience of bliss and restructuring of whole personality, that is Yoga Nidra for children. Yoga Nidra means sleep after throwing off all the burdens. It is of a blissful and higher quality altogether. So, by the practice of Yoga Nidra, we are not only relaxing but restructuring and reforming our whole personality from within. Study says you can learn more when you are sleeping than when you are awake, and this is how we are utilizing Yoga Nidra for the evaluation of mind. How does this happen? This answer is simple. When the relaxation is complete, the receptivity is greater. When the consciousness is connected to all the senses, the receptivity is less. This is the secret of Yoga Nidra. There are distinct levels of mind. Some are very hard soil, some are very tender soil. The conscious mind is like hard soil because it has intellect and logic in operation. Intellect is the process of analyzing things. It does not accept everything, it rejects as well. But the deeper consciousness is not like that. Whatever impression you plant within, the subconscious mind cannot be rejected. It will grow and the fruits will enrich every aspect of life. There are threefold tensions. Whether you think too much or you do not think at all, you accumulate tension. If you work physically or you do not work at all, you accumulate tension. Whether you sleep too much or not at all, you accumulate tension. This accumulates in the muscular, emotional and mental tension in the system. In yoga, we deal with the problems of tension with wide periscope. We realize that if the mind is tense, the stomach will also be tense. And if the stomach is tense, the whole circulatory system is also tense. It is a vicious circle of events. Therefore, in yoga, relaxation from tension is one of the chief concerns. Yoga Nidra enables one to find within himself the answers to all problems. One's true nature and integrity manifest, enabling him to live a meaningful and peaceful life in any environment. So, dear children, get ready for the wonderful experience of Yoga Nidra. We will start our practical session with chanting mantra Om. Please be seated in any meditative pose, or you can sit on chair. Gently close your eyes. I will say Om, you will repeat after me. Just deep inhale and then Om. Gently open your eyes. Now release your posture. Straighten the legs. If you are wearing glasses, remove your glasses. Please lie down on the back on the carpet. Keep your body straight but comfortable. Spread your legs with about 1 foot apart with toes turned outside. Keep your arms little away from your body. Palms should face upward with fingers partially closed in a relaxed manner. Now relax in this position which is called Shavasana. Make yourself as comfortable as possible. Let your body rest on the carpet without touching any other object. Keep your neck in fully relaxed manner by resting your head in any suitable position. Keep your eyes closed and do not open them till you receive clear instructions for opening them. Please remember that the whole Yoga Nidra is to be practiced with the closed eyes. Relax the body and try to look in your body with closed eyes. Try to release the tension in the muscles of your body and adjust in a very comfortable state. You can move your limbs if it's necessary at this stage, but hereafter do not move any part of your body till the Yoga Nidra gets over. Feel your body on the ground. You are here in this room. Try to follow the instructions being received. Develop the feeling of relaxation in your body. Now just be aware of sounds around you you can hear. Just be aware of sounds. Just be attentive to the sound. Now look at your breathing. Slowly shift your awareness to your breathing. The breath is going in and out smoothly. Try to breathe in fully, deeply, slowly, and then breathe out in the same way. Body is becoming more and more relaxed. Relax your muscles. Simply develop the feeling of relaxation. It is like the feeling you have just before sleep. Try to keep yourself completely awake. Make a resolution to yourself now that I will not sleep. I will remain awake throughout the practice. Now here we will make a resolve. I will study nicely without stress. I will stay happy and be successful in all that I undertake. Repeat once again the same resolve. I will study nicely without stress. I will stay happy and be successful in all that I undertake. This resolve you make during Yoga Nidra is bound to come true in your life. Now feel your body on the floor. Now imagine you are under a tree and looking at the blue sky through the leaves. Oh, what do you see? One beautiful and colorful butterfly coming down. Butterfly is landing near you. Oh, that is fantastic. You have saw the similar butterfly earlier also. Fantastic. That butterfly is coming to you and you are not afraid. Butterfly is asking you if you would like to fly with him. You say, no, I can't. He says, you can. Well, just come and have a look at your house from above. So you agree. Just imagine and start the flying with butterfly. You are very pleased. You see your house nicely from above, see your mother, see your family, and now it is time to come down. Now you are coming down and imagine a butterfly settling on the different parts of your body. Imagine a slight touch of the butterfly on your left thumb, index finger. Just shift your awareness according to the instructions. That butterfly is shifting from one to other place. Third finger, ring finger, your palm, wrist joint, forearm, elbow, shoulder, all filled with soothing light. Now that moves to the right hand, right thumb, index finger, third finger, ring finger, your palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, shoulder, all filled with the golden soothing effect. Now that moves down to the left big toe and then second toe, third toe, fourth toe and the fifth one. And then gradually that is shifting and changing the place, and then top of the foot, ankle, knee, thigh and hip. Then over to the right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth and then fifth one. And now again that is shifting to top of the foot, right ankle, right knee, thigh, hip, all filled with soothing effect. Now that moves to your lower back, upper back and neck and head. Top of the head, right ear, left ear, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, right eye, left eye, nose tip, upper lip, lower lip, jaw, throat, and then down to your chest and belly. There is no need to move that part of your body. Simply move your imagination and that light feathering touch all over. You are breathing energy through the leaves. You feel happy. Now be aware of your breathing, aware of your breath, and let it become rhythmic and natural. Now begin to count the breath. Now you have to count the breath, just be aware of your breathing, the natural breath flowing in and then out is 1 round. This should be repeated to do 21 rounds. Remember, it is the natural breathing rhythm, that is 1 counting. If it relaxes and becomes more deeper, That too is natural breathing rhythm. Now you will start the counting. There will be no instructions for next 1 minute. Keep continuing your counting. Inhale, exhale 1. Again inhale, exhale 2. Accordingly, keep on counting till 21 breaths. Now just stop counting breath and just observe the breathing. Now you're experiencing natural inbuilt goodness within you. Now you share the wonderful feeling of that goodness in everyone. Think of all the people in the world that you love and imagine sending them this light of goodness that you have pouring through your heart. Your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother, your friends, your teachers, everyone you know. Now think of all the people in the world who could use some extra light of your goodness in their lives and send it to them. Now imagine all of the world sending light of that goodness back to you while you send it to them. Now butterfly is saying goodbye. You are feeling so happy and relaxed. Now here we will make same resolve again in the same words. I will study nicely without stress. I will stay happy and be successful in all that I undertake. Repeat one more time. I will study nicely without stress. I will stay happy and be successful in all that I undertake. This resolve you make during Yoga Nidra is bound to come true in your life. You are a wonderful, special, and the world needs your light of goodness. Now, you will realize a rhythmic movement of the navel area up and down. Slowly and gently, the breath is going out and in. Be aware of this movement. The breath is entering in the abdominal wall, is moving up, and the breath is going out, the abdomen is moving down. Just continue with this normal breathing. Now feel your breathing at the tip of your nose. Be aware of it fully. Now look at your body which is lying on the ground. Shift your awareness to left leg, right leg, left hand, right hand, abdomen, the whole body. You have become aware of whole body. Slowly start moving your body. Make the fingers of your hands, move the fingers of your hands and bring your both hands closer to your body very slowly. Move your toes, stretch them little, move the legs and bring them together. Straighten the neck slowly, but do not open the eyes. Your body is becoming alert. Now be seated properly by making very slow movements. Keep your palms on your eyes. Open the eyes inside the palms very gently. Be aware of the light and take your hands down. The practice session of Yoga Nidra is over. Thank you very much. Hari Om. Have a healthy and happy life.